BunnyBand is being promoted as an easy way to earn money online by completing simple tasks and referring friends. But the real question is whether it actually pays or just follows a pattern of typical task-earning scams. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Platforms that pay users for small tasks or referrals do exist. However, here's the key point. Most independent checks flag BunnyBand as highly suspicious with multiple risk signals. There are some surface-level positives. Promises a $10 welcome bonus in paid tasks / referral simple concept, complete tasks, invite friends, withdraw earnings, no upfront payment required to join. But this is exactly where the red flags begin. The biggest issue is credibility and trust score. Independent analysis gives the site a very low score, around 19 out of 100, and labels it suspicious. Other checkers also warn it's likely unsafe and very new. Another major concern is domain age and transparency. The website was only created recently in 2026, which is a common pattern for short-lived scam platforms. Ownership details are hidden, and there's little verifiable company information. There are also classic task scam warning signs. High rewards for very simple actions. Heavy focus on referrals to unlock earnings. High withdrawal thresholds, e.g., needing to reach $100 before cashing out. So, can you actually earn legit money with BunnyBand? Short answer, very unlikely. While the site itself is real, the structure strongly matches high-risk pay-to-click or referral-based scam models, where earnings look real on the dashboard, but withdrawals are difficult or never processed. Bottom line, BunnyBand shows multiple red flags, including low trust scores, lack of transparency, and unrealistic earning claims. It's best treated as high risk and likely not worth your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.